This how to 1 minute will show you how to remove PayPal from Shopify. It's really very easy steps to remove PayPal payments from your Shopify store. Just follow these simple steps. Log into your Shopify admin panel and click on settings. Select payments and you will get your PayPal payment method here. Click on manage and here click on deactivate PayPal Express checkout. Click on deactivate. Clicking on back, and as you can see the PayPal status is inactive. It's mean I've successfully removed PayPal payment from my Shopify. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.